Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple dinner at your home. Today I'm going to make the Maggi masala with the bread toast, which is very easy guys. So let's start the recipe. So here I have some Maggi packet, and here is a kadai. Here I'm going to add some jeera. So here I'm adding some cumin seeds in the oil. So here I added 1 to 2 tablespoon of oil. In this I'm going to add some chopped onion. So here I added the onion guys, can you see? So we have to fry this onion until it becomes light brown in color. So very simple recipe guys and very easy when we are not at home and you are working and you are very tired. You can prepare this dinner under 5 minutes. Very easy recipe. So we have to fry this onion until it becomes light brown in color. In this I am adding this chopped tomato. So I took one tomato guys. Here I am adding this one. So I am making this one for 2%. In this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and salt up to your taste. So here I added the turmeric powder. Here I am adding the red chili powder. So this is the Indian version of Maggi. In this I am going to add some salt up to your taste. Hey guys, can you see the masala is ready and it's time to add some hot water into this. Here I took some Maggi and here's so here I added some hot water into this. I added 2 glasses of water because I took 2 slices of Maggi, 2 pieces of Maggi, and yeah, for 2 people. And I'm going to add this Maggi in this. And here is the Maggi masala powder guys. So I took 2 sheets of Maggi masala and I added some water to dissolve this one, and I'm going to add this one in this Maggi. Nice aroma guys, believe me, nice aroma. And we have to mix all these things together. And I'm going to cover this one with the lid. So here is the Maggi and here is the bread toast guys. Very simple dinner. So I'm going to put it in the plate. So simple dinner guys. Here is the Maggi. Here is bread and butter, and here I took some chopped onion. So yeah, this is a quick dinner. See you soon in another cooking video. Bye.